Hello students. So have you felt that when you read a mathematical question, you are not able to think what should be the first step? आप उसमें confuse हो जाते हैं, आप उसमें extra time waste कर देते हैं. So then there is a good news for students who are trying to enroll for JEE Main August batch. So what we guys have done, we have added 5 extra live sessions of 40 minutes each, so that the target is how to read questions. How to read questions such that you get hints from the question. Yes, you heard it right. There are hints in the question which tells you how you should pre-think the question. Even before writing the first step, you should have a mind map that yes, this is what the question is trying to ask. This is what all the components will be used, and that is what we guys are going to teach you in how to read questions classes. What questions will be picked? We guys are going to pick JEE Mains 2021 questions, which are the most relevant questions, and I will tell you methods how you should read the question and what reference should draw in your mind and what should be your first step should be in those 40-minute sessions. All those who have already been the part of JEE Main August crash course will get those classes. Remember, if you enroll by today only, then only these extra 5 classes will be provided. If you enroll tomorrow, you will not be provided those extra 5 classes. The course starts tomorrow. We also have a JEE Advanced crash course starting 1st of August. So if you are targeting JEE Advanced and want to improve your math score, then that course is also for you. God bless. Keep working hard.